Hi everyone, it's Crafty Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? My voice sounds a little different because I have been sick and I'm still sick. I just got some energy, so I figured, okay, let me do the unboxing before I feel down again. But yeah, every day I'm getting a little better. Okay, so today the unboxing is going to be this beautiful painting called Rainy Day Mermaid. When I saw this, I was like, oh gosh, I have to have this one. It's by erikathegoober, which I absolutely love. Her name. I'm sure that's not her real name. I think it's Erika something else, but she calls herself, that's the artist name, erikathegoober. Okay, so it's a round, and it says round diamonds, and it's pink. Okay, it always comes in this very pretty shiny box. Scan me, unlock for 10% off, and in the back it tells you what's inside the kit and how it works step by step. Alright, so let's open this baby up. I don't know what's going on with me, but I've been so sick. Okay, got some energy. I said, okay, better go upstairs and do this. Okay. Oops. Alright, here's a small, there's two stickers that always come with the painting. There's a small one, this one you could put in your logbook. And then there's a big one with the sticker, with the pre-cut individual stickers for the containers. This is the toolkit. So what's inside the toolkit? Pretty cool, because either you get a different color pen, you get different washi all the time, and you also get a different cover line. It's just like a little surprise. Like in this one, look how cool. It's a pink pen. Okay. So it always comes with individual baggies, just in case you don't have the container with you. Look how cool this washi tape is. And they're actually pretty good. I'm using the washi tape that came with the Diamond Art Club, with that painting that I'm working on, Lady Creole, and it's actually pretty good. It's not peeling. So, okay, and it comes with, how cute this color is. It matches the pen, little grip. It's a pen grip. It's supposed to help with your fingers. And look how cute. I think that's a rabbit. A blue rabbit holding a carrot. And this is a cover minder. And then this heart-shaped container with two axes in there. And of course, let's not forget the tray. Okay. Okay, all the paintings always come in a plastic bag to protect it while it's traveling. It says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle, but I always say do what makes you happy. Okay. Once in a while, I'm hoping that I can continue and not stop, because I have to sometimes blow my nose. Okay, so the canvas is very, very soft, guys, soft as butter. Okay, and it's made this way to prevent fraying and wrinkling. Made from heavy-duty waterproof material, fabric for extra strength. All right, so let's open this baby. Oh wait, let's get the stuff out. All right, so here you always have a big sticker. It says thank you, what's inside the kit, tips and tricks, etc. Okay, and then this is the big sticker. So, right, Rainy Day Mermaid by erikathegoober, start date, end date. Okay, and then these are the pre-cut stickers that I was telling you about earlier. And these go on your containers. Alright, these are the drills. The drills are 100% resin for exceptional color. And I love that it comes with a sticker on it, so if you separate it, you'll know that these belong to that painting. Okay? Alright. I'm gonna unroll it this way. Ooh, it's nice size. It's not that big. It's a medium size, actually. I am gonna start, hopefully, this week, the series that I told you about, small paintings. Okay? The Diamond Art Club. Look how beautiful this is, guys. My gosh. I love the colors on this. They're like muted colors, I guess. Alright, so all these paintings from Diamond Art Club, it tells you on the bottom, it shows you a picture, it tells you it's DAC, Rainy Day Mermaid, it's 20 inches by 25 inches, 50.7 centimeters by 63.9 centimeters. erikathegoober, love it. Diamond Art Club. In the middle, it always tells you that you can find them on Facebook and Instagram. And over here you have a lifetime warranty, which is a 30-day money back guarantee, lifetime warranty, free diamond spilled insurance, and a 10% cashback rewards for every order. Okay, it always comes with 2 legends. Okay, I see glare. What else is new? The one legend is on the left hand side, on the upper left hand side, and the other legend is on the lower right hand side. Okay, the what do we know about Erica before we do a little bit of talk about a little painting? Erica, we know she's a freelance illustrator and a character designer. She's also inspired by the world of video games and animated movies, and she loves to draw cute, colorful things. She also has, I believe, 6 paintings from Diamond Art Club, and one is Galaxy, Golden, and Sunflower. Okay, and that was just to name some. Now, when you look at this beautiful painting, well, what do we see? We see a beautiful bathtub that I think everybody loves. It's like those old-fashioned bathtubs. I grew up in New York, and we had something like this. And then they said they were gonna do some redesigning, and then they put that ugly one. But this is what we had in New York. Anyway, so I miss that bathtub. It looks like there's a brick wall behind her. Then she is obviously reading a book. Okay, and she's got, it looks like maybe some flowers on her hair. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like some leaves. And obviously, guys, if you look carefully, look, she's got a tail. And she's beautiful. She's a mermaid. So the mermaid, it looks like she's just relaxing. She's reading a book. All right. When you read the description from Diamond Art Club, it basically says, lie back and give your imagination free rein in the warm waters of home. Relax into yourself, basking in the glow of candlelight and lush orange flowers. So if you look, it's called Rainy Day Mermaid because she's a mermaid. And if you look out the window, it's raining. Okay. And there's like bushes over here, and there's like orange flowers. And then she's got a candle, a couple of candles actually. Just very, very relaxing. And this looks like it's wallpaper. These leaves are on the wallpaper actually. Yeah. Excuse me, gotta blow my nose for a second, excuse me. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Okay, so she's got 2 candles here, another candle here, and another candle here. And she's got tiles on the floor. And it looks like she lives in the city. And it's a cloudy, rainy day. Just very, very relaxing. Beautiful, I love it, guys. Okay. So let's put it aside. Oh, wait, I forgot to tell you a little bit about the legend. Oh, yeah. Okay, so the legend always tells you that it has the numbers. So the number of how many colors you have. This has 53 colors. It tells you the symbol in the middle, and the symbol is what it's on the painting, and that's where you're going to put the drills. And the color code are the DMC. Okay, and that comes in very, very handy, guys. So let's put this aside. I'm going to bring out the colors, and I'm going to display them. Okay. All right, let us begin. 154 is grape, very dark. 169 is pewter, light. 221 is shell pink, very dark. 225, why did I write this one down? That's weird. 225, it's like a pink. Okay, I did not write that one down, sorry about that. 304 is red medium. 310 is black. Got 2 bags of 310. 315 is antique mauve, very medium dark. 317 is pewter gray. 318 is steel gray light. 347 is salmon, very dark. I'm losing my voice. Oh, geez. 351, coral. 352, coral light. 353, peach. 355, terracotta dark. 356, terracotta medium. 413 is pewter gray dark. Oops. 414 is steel gray dark. 415 is pearl gray. That's a grays. 452 is shell gray light. And 611 is drab brown. That's funny, drab brown. And 762 is pearl gray very light. This is pretty. 778 is antique mauve very light. 779 is cocoa dark. 814 is garnet dark. 816 is just garnet. 839 is beige brown dark. 840 is beige brown medium. And 841 is beige brown light. Okay. 844 is beaver gray ultra dark. And 898 is coffee brown very dark. Okay, so far we have lots of grays and browns and peaches in the peach family of salmon. And 918 is red copper dark. 938 is coffee brown ultra dark. And 977 is golden brown light. 3041 is antique violet medium. 3064 is desert sands. 3072 beaver gray ultra light. Almost finished, guys. 3371 is black brown. 3685 is mauve very dark. 3727 is antique mauve light. 3772 is desert sand very dark. 3776 is mahogany light. 3777 is terracotta ultra dark. Does it fit in here? Yeah, just push this up a little bit. Okay. 3778 is terracotta light. 3799 is rosewood ultra very light. Very little of that one. Okay, these are the last ones. Okay, 3830 is terracotta. 3857 is rosewood dark. 3858 is rosewood medium. 3861 is 3860 is rosewood light. And this one is 3861, which is cocoa light. Okay, just beautiful colors. I love all these salmon colors, and look, I've got red, pink, purples, grays, and browns. Okay, so let's move all these aside. And what's so cool about this painting, I just realized when I was cutting them up, it's got 3 ABs. So you got this very pretty AB, 103, it's like an orange. And you have 125, it's like a very light pink. I mean, light blue. Oh, gosh, my glasses. 127 is like a light peach. And look at this, guys. This is special drills. Pretty cool. L422. Okay, so let's go back to the painting and figure out what these beautiful ABs and crystals special drill goes. All right. Okay, so this one is 103. If you look at the legend, 103 is symbol 1. So wherever you see symbol 1. Okay, so let's see. And by the way, this is very clear. I have to bring it up so you can see it. Okay, 1. It's going to be this one, and it's going to be on her body. Okay. Any else? No, that's it. So that's cool. That's going to be very shiny. And then this is number 2. Wherever you see number 2. No, it's not on the tail. No. Oh, I see it. Okay, it's outside the window. It's the clouds. Wow. The clouds are going to be shiny. That's pretty cool. Okay. And then 127 is 3, symbol 3. Okay, so you actually have here 2s and 3s. So you're going to have some of this in the book and some of this color. And you're also going to have it, well, this one is going to be on her tail. Wow. That's going to be gorgeous, guys. And then the special drill, if you look at the legend, is going to be the dot. And it looks like it's the candles, the fire. Yep. Wow. This is going to be beautiful, guys. I love it. I love mermaids. Okay. So I hope you love this painting as much as I do. And I wish everybody has a wonderful rest of the day. And thank you very much. Oh, let me bring it up so you can see it. I almost forgot to show you how clear it is. Sorry about that. See that? I don't know if you can see that. Let me bring it up. Her book. Can you see that? And then her beautiful tail. Look at that tail. Very, very clear. Okay. So that's about it. Thank you. Bye-bye.